Hey, this is Sasha B, and welcome to Traveling with Sasha B. Today, we are in beautiful Martha's Vineyard, Massachusetts, and this stop feels calm, soft, peaceful, like a deep breath my soul did not know it needed. Standing here, looking at the water, the sailboats and the flowers, and this peaceful harbor, I'm reminded of something important. Rest is not something I have to earn. For a long time, I thought I had to keep going, keep pushing, keep carrying, keep showing up, keep being strong, even when I was tired, even when my spirit needed a break, even when my heart was asking for quiet. I thought rest meant I was falling behind. I thought rest meant I was not doing enough. I thought rest meant I was being lazy. But healing has been teaching me something different. Rest is not laziness. Rest is restoration. Rest is wisdom. Rest is how you allow your mind, body, and spirit to catch up with everything you have survived. And baby, some of us have survived a lot. We have carried responsibilities. We have carried pain. We have carried people. We have carried expectations. We have carried seasons that were heavier than anyone knew. And sometimes, the most spiritual thing you can do is stop, breathe, sit still, look around, and let God refill what life has been draining. Martha's Vineyard is reminding me that peace can be simple. A quiet view, a gentle breeze, a slow walk, a moment where you are not rushing to prove anything. A moment where you can just be. No performing, no explaining, no pressure, just rest. And if you are watching this, I want to remind you, you are allowed to rest. You are allowed to pause. You are allowed to step away from the noise. You are allowed to enjoy a peaceful moment without guilt. You do not have to wait until everything is finished. You do not have to wait until everyone else is okay. You can rest right now, because rest is part of healing too. So today, I'm learning to rest without guilt. I'm learning to receive peace. I'm learning to receive peace without apologizing for it. I'm learning that I do not have to run myself empty to prove that I am strong. Sometimes strength is knowing when to pause. Sometimes strength is choosing peace. Sometimes strength is letting your soul breathe. This is Sasha B in Martha's Vineyard, learning to rest without guilt and keeping it real as always.